So he's gonna have to do his best. Oh, he's swing. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the Jay? One spear hits your mouth. There, key. Oh.
No,
My glass.
No glasses.
I know. That's shit.
I mean, it's frozen solid. It's not gonna break.
Help. I 10 out of 10 recommend this chair from Costco. My drink spill. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
God.
Oh my gosh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump!
This is how we put the trash. This is how we put the trash out on an icy day. Embedded in my foot now. It's fine.
I just take it slow. I understand.
No vea la cámara. ¿Qué hiciste, güey?
No teeth. Be good.
I got locked in my roof and nobody's available to come help me out, so I ordered Uber Eats. I put in the instructions that you have to just buzz every apartment until someone lets you in and then come up to the roof and let me out. Thank you. I quit. I think I need to stop baking. It's seriously a problem for me.
Treating my dad like a
You taking
kid.
out the trash? Yeah. Not without a f***ing jacket. You got work tomorrow. You're not.
Hi. God. I'm really afraid. I'm really afraid. I'm fucking afraid. I'm really afraid. Throw food out the window.
Family picture. Family picture. Ready? One, 2, 3. Oh,
look, one. One.
What happened?
What happened? Oh my
God.
God.
What happened?
I'm loot.
Whoa. Everybody, I'm Stephanie. Everybody, I'm Stephanie Quayle. Everybody, I'm Stephanie. Hey, everybody, I'm Stephanie Quayle. Hey, everybody, now is he pooping? Yeah. Okay, great. Hey, I'm Stephanie Quayle. Hey, I'm Stephanie Quayle, born and raised. Hey, everybody. Take number 100.